As the world grapples with environmental challenges, drought has emerged as a significant concern, impacting communities and ecosystems. In response, crafting water-efficient landscapes has become a vital aspect of sustainable living. Creating harmony between aesthetics and conservation, especially in landscaping, is crucial for preserving water resources that not only thrive during drought, but also contribute to environmental conservation. Understanding the importance of water-efficient landscapes. Water-efficient landscaping aims to reduce water usage while maintaining visually appealing and functional outdoor spaces. In regions affected by drought, implementing these practices becomes not just a choice, but a responsibility. Conserving water through smart landscaping choices not only helps combat drought conditions, but also minimizes water waste, promotes biodiversity, and reduces the reliance on energy-intensive irrigation systems. Techniques for crafting water-efficient landscapes. Xeriscaping. Xeriscaping is a landscaping approach that emphasizes water conservation through the use of drought-tolerant plants. Selecting native or adaptive plants that require minimal water is fundamental to xeriscaping. These plants are well suited to the local climate and soil conditions, reducing the need for excessive watering. Mulching and soil management. Applying mulch to the soil surface helps retain moisture, prevents evaporation, and controls weed growth. Additionally, soil amendment techniques such as composting improve soil structure, enhancing its water-holding capacity and nutrient content. Efficient irrigation systems. Installing drip irrigation or soaker hoses minimizes water loss by delivering water directly to the root zones of plants. Furthermore, incorporating smart irrigation technology that adjusts watering schedules based on weather conditions and plant needs optimizes water usage. Hardscaping and permeable surfaces. Integrating hardscape elements like gravel pathways, permeable pavers, or rock gardens reduces the area that requires watering. These features not only add aesthetic value, but also allow rainwater to infiltrate the soil, replenishing groundwater. Grouping and zoning plants. Clustering plants based on their water needs helps create efficient watering zones. Plants with similar water requirements can be grouped together, allowing for targeted irrigation and preventing overwatering of drought-sensitive species. Water harvesting techniques. Implementing rain barrels, cisterns, or swales to capture and store rainwater provides an alternative water source for landscaping needs, reducing reliance on municipal water supplies. Benefits and conclusion. Crafting water-efficient landscapes not only conserves water, but also offers numerous benefits. Reduced water bills, lower maintenance requirements, and a diverse, thriving ecosystem are some of the advantages. Additionally, these landscapes contribute to mitigating the impacts of drought and support the overall health of the environment. In conclusion, the design and maintenance of water-efficient landscapes are essential components of responsible stewardship of our environment. By employing thoughtful strategies such as xeriscaping, efficient irrigation, and water harvesting, individuals can create visually stunning landscapes that not only withstand drought conditions, but also promote sustainability and harmony with nature. As the effects of climate change continue to challenge water resources, the adoption of water-efficient landscaping practices becomes an increasingly urgent and impactful choice for a sustainable future.